Hey all, Kehana here again. I don't know if you can see this beautiful winter storm that's happening outside the windows. Let's get right into it. Let's start in child's pose. Big toes to touch, knees out wide, arms extend long in front of you. Forehead comes to rest on the mat. Couple big breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. Let something go with each exhale. Firmly press into the hands so the forearms are lifted off the ground. Feel a nice stretch through the shoulders. And exhale, walks the hands off the right side of the mat. Left hand comes on top of right. Breathe down the left side of the body. Each exhale sinks you a little deeper into the hips. Inhale to come back through center. Exhale, walks the hands off the left side of the mat. Right hand comes on top of left, forehead meets the earth. Inhale to find length down the right side of the body. Exhale to sink deeper into the hips. And inhale will bring you back through center. Exhale, just take one more breath and forward fold. And inhale rolls you up over the knees, meet in tabletop position. Inhale drops the belly, lifts the gaze, cow pose. Exhale, round through the back body for cat. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze, cow. Exhale for cat. Inhale for cow. Exhale for cat. And inhale brings you back through neutral spine. Walk the hands back towards the knees. Toes can be tucked. Bring the hands to the thighs just for a moment. Soften down the gaze. Here I'll invite you to set an intention for your practice, whatever that may be today. Do so now. Drop the left hand to the outside of the left glute. Inhale, lift the hips and the right arm. Exhale, come back through center, swap it out. Right hand outside right glute. Inhale, lifts left arm and hips. Exhale, drop. Switch it out again. Inhale, hips come up. Exhale, bring it back down. Inhale, hips and left arm. Exhale, bring it back down. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, bring it down. Last one. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, bring it down. Hands come back to the thighs just for a moment. Start to walk the hands forward. Come back through tabletop position. Tuck the toes, lift the knees, high plank position. Hold here just for a moment. Exhale, lower for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come all the way down onto the belly. Massage the third eye center just for a minute. Feel the earth beneath you. Bring the left arm out to a cactus or a T. An inhale rolls you over onto the left side of the body. Bend through the right knee, plant it behind you. Right hand pushes you further into the twist. Here for just another breath. Inhale, come back through center. Right arm comes to a cactus or a T. Roll over onto the other side of the body. Nice little shoulder opener here. Left hand pushes you deeper into the pose, deeper into the twist. Inhale to bring you back through center. Inhale brings you up, cobra pose. Lift the hands with you, engage to the back, or hands are very light on the mat. Hold here. Engage the glutes, press the tops of the feet into the earth. Exhale, release. Inhale to come back up. Exhale, release. Inhale brings you back up. Exhale, release. Tuck the toes, knees can be dropped or lifted. Press up, high plank position. And exhale, sends the hips back and up, downward facing dog. Pedal out the feet here. Wrist creases are parallel with the top of the mat. Actively press into all 10 finger pads and knuckle pads. At the back of the head, hang heavy. Inhale, right leg to lift. Exhale, bend through the knee. Take some circles. Reverse the circles. Inhale to straighten, three-legged dog. Exhale, bring the right foot down to the earth. Inhale, left leg comes up. Exhale, bend through the left knee. Take some circles. And reverse the circles. Inhale to straighten. Exhale, plant the left foot down on the earth. Inhale, bring the gaze between the hands. Exhale, bend through the knees. Hop, step, or float to the top of the mat. Inhale brings you to a halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Ragdoll here, grab opposite elbows. Generous bend through the knees. Let the head hang heavy. Shake the head, yes. Shake the head, no. Release the hands down towards the earth. Inhale, roll up one vertebrae at a time. Head is the last to rise. Inhale, circle the arms up, Tadasana, mountain pose. Exhale, cactus the arms, open the heart up towards the sky, engage the glutes. Inhale to come through center. Exhale, swan dive it forward, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, high plank. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, shift the gaze between the hands. Exhale, hop, step, or float to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, arms circle up. Exhale, cactus the arms, open the heart up. Inhale, Tadasana. Exhale, swan dive it forward, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, high plank. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, shift the gaze between the hands. Exhale, hop, step, or float to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, arms circle up. Exhale, heart opener. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, swan dive it forward, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, sink the hips back, chair pose. Hold here just for a moment. Drop the sacrum down, reach the crown up. Start to distribute the weight into the right foot. An inhale brings the left knee in towards the chest. Use the right hand to grab the outside of the left foot. Open up the left arm towards the back of the room. Gazes over the left hand. Inhale to bring it back through center. Gently release the foot. Keep the knee in towards the body. Arms come up. Exhale, hinge forward. Warrior three. Micro bend in the right knee. Draw the navel in. Hold here. Exhale, bring the right hand down towards the earth. Open up the left hand towards the sky, half moon. Maybe you bring the gaze up towards the left hand. Left hip stacks on top of right. Exhale, start to bend through the right knee. Plant the left foot down towards the earth. Open up towards the side of the mat. Star pose. Exhale, wide-legged forward fold. Hands can grab the outside of the feet. Use the elbows to pull you closer towards the earth. Inhale brings you up to a halfway lift. Exhale, pivot towards the back of the mat. Left foot is forward. Low lunge just for a moment. Inhale brings you up. High crescent lunge on the left. Biceps frame the ears. Back leg is strong. Exhale, open it up. Warrior two. Find your drishti, single point of focus over the front middle finger. Exhale, sink a little bit lower. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, plant the left hand towards the inside of the left foot. You can take a bind here if you'd like to do so. Bring the right arm behind you. Maybe the left hand clasps the right hand or right wrist. Or you can just bring the right hand to the left hip crease. And if you've taken the bind, gently plant the left hand back down. Bring the right arm up towards the sky. Circle the right arm down. Left hand comes up. Easy twist. Exhale, horizon pose. Sink the hips low. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, bring the left hand to the outside of the left foot. Bring the right leg to meet the left. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise. Circle the arms up. Exhale, heart opener. Inhale, back through center, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, sink the hips back, chair pose. Biceps frame the ears, draw the navel in, lighten the toes. Exhale, could you sink a little deeper? Start to distribute the weight into the left foot. Inhale, brings the right knee in towards the body. Half staff. Hold here just for a moment. Start to bring the left hand to the outside of the right foot. Right arm goes back. Whew. Micro bend in the left knee. Gaze can drop over the right hand. One more breath here. Inhale brings you back through center. Both arms come back up, half staff. Exhale, start to hinge it forward. Warrior three. Micro bend in the left knee. Active through the right foot. Exhale, bring the left hand down towards the earth. Right arm comes up towards the sky. Half moon. Maybe you bring the gaze up towards the right hand. Right hip stacks on top of left. Exhale, start to bend through the left knee. Plant the right foot down, pivot the left foot towards the wide edge of the mat, starfish pose. Exhale, wide-legged forward fold. Grab the outsides of the feet. You can take a headstand here if you would like. Inhale, come up, halfway lift. Exhale, pivot back towards the top of the mat, low lunge. Here just for a moment, take a moment to align. And inhale brings you up. High crescent lunge on the right. Sink deep into the front knee, high on the ball mat of the back foot. Exhale, open it up, warrior two. Gazes over the front middle finger, reach in both directions, sink low in the front knee. Inhale, start to shift forward. Exhale, plant the right hand to the inside of the right foot, extended side angle. You can take a bind here, use the left hand to come around to the right hip crease. Or you can meet the left hand with the right. Right hand can grab left wrist or left hand. If you've taken a bind, gently release it. Right hand comes back to the inside of the right foot. Exhale, bring the left hand down towards the right. Right hand comes up, pivot onto the ball mount of the left foot. Exhale, horizon pose, sink the hips low. Inhale, come back up through center. Exhale, bring the right hand down towards the earth. And inhale, we'll shift the gaze forward. Exhale, step the left foot to meet the right, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, mountain pose. Exhale, heart opener. Inhale, come up through center. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back, high plank. Inhale, shifts you forward. Exhale, take a vinyasa. And inhale brings you to an upward facing dog. Exhale brings you to a downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg to lift, three-legged dog. Exhale with the right leg straight. Tap the foot to the outside of the left hand. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale with the leg straight, right foot, right hand. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, bend through the right knee. Flip it over, wild thing. Inhale, brings you back through center. Exhale, step the foot between the hands, low lunge. Inhale, bring it up, high crescent lunge. Hold here just for a moment. Exhale, distribute the weight into the right foot. Launch into warrior three. Exhale, start to bring the left hand down towards the earth. Revolved half moon. Active through the left foot. Right arm reaches high. Exhale, bring the right hand down towards the earth. Half split. You can take some handstand hops here if you'd like. Exhale, bring the left foot down to meet the right. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, circle the arms up. Exhale, heart opener. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, chaturanga. Plant the hands, step it back. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, over the tops of the feet. Exhale, send it back. Downward dog. Inhale, left leg to lift. Exhale with the left leg straight. Tap the toes to the outside of the right hand. Inhale to straighten. Exhale, left toes, left hand. Inhale to straighten. Exhale, bend through the knee. Flip your dog. Wild thing. Inhale to bring you back through center. Exhale, step with foot between the hands. Low lunge. Hold here just for a moment. Find your alignment. Inhale brings you up. High crescent lunge. Settle into the hips. Start to distribute the weight into the left foot. Launch up. Oops. Warrior three. Right foot is active. Micro bend in the left knee. Draw the navel up and in. Can you bring the right leg a little higher? Exhale brings the right hand down. Left hand comes up towards the sky. Revolved half moon. Gazes up towards the left fingers. Right glute is strong. Exhale, bring the left hand down towards the mat. Half split. And release the right foot down to meet the left. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise. Circle the arms up. Exhale, heart opener. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. High plank. Take a chaturanga or meet in downward facing dog. On an inhale, right leg will lift. Exhale, step the foot between the hands. Inhale, come up, high crescent lunge. Exhale, open it up, warrior two. Inhale, shifts you forward. Exhale, brings the right hand down towards the earth. Left hand comes up towards the sky. Take a bind here if it's in your practice. Inhale, bring the gaze towards the top of the mat. Pivot onto the ball mount of the back foot. Step the back foot forward to meet the right. Start to distribute the weight into the left foot. Come up, bird of paradise. You can hang here, or you can start to straighten through the right leg. And if you've taken the bird of paradise, gently coming back out of it the same way you came in. Plant the right foot back to the right hand to the inside of the right foot. Left arm comes up towards the sky. Hands can come to heart center. Skandasana towards the back of the mat. Pivot towards the back of the mat. Hand to the ball mount of the right foot. Meet in low lunge. Inhale, come up, high crescent lunge. Exhale, open it up, warrior two. Inhale, shifts you forward. Out breath brings the left hand to the inside of the left foot. Extended side angle. Take a bind here if it's in your practice. Pivot onto the ball mount of the right foot. And exhale takes you through one big step or a couple little steps towards the top of the mat. Start to distribute the weight into the right foot. Bring the left knee in towards the body. Straighten through the left leg. Bird of paradise on the left. If you've taken a bird, gently come out of it as slowly as you came into it. Draw the right heel in towards the right glute. Step the right foot back. Left hand comes to the inside of the left foot. Right arm comes up towards the sky. Circle it around. Bring the hands towards heart center. Skandasana. Back towards the top of the mat. Hang here just for a moment. Start to pivot back towards the top of the mat. Low lunge. Step the right foot back to meet the left. High plank. We're just going to send the hips up and back here, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg to lift. Exhale, step the foot between the hands. You're going to use the left peace fingers to grab the left big toe. Spin to the knife edge of the right foot. Come up, Vashisthasana, side plank. Maybe you bring the gaze up towards the left foot. And if you need to fall out of it, that's totally okay too. Let it be messy, let it be playful. And as gently as you can, let go of the big toes. Start to bring the left foot behind you. Wild thing. Inhale to come back through center. Bring the knee in towards the nose. Step it back between the hands. Bring the hands towards heart center. Right elbow hooks to the left knee. Twisted prayer lunge. Start to distribute the weight into the left foot. Step the right foot up to meet the left. Twisted chair. You can hang here. You can open the arms up. You can take a side crow if that's in your practice. If you'd like me to guide you through side crow. Start to sink the hips down towards the heels. Plant the hands onto the ground. Distribute the weight into the hands. Bend forward, bend through the elbows. Lift the toes up off the mat. Maybe you hang here. Maybe you straighten through the legs. Inhale to bring you back through center. Meet back in twisted chair. Bring the right heel back in towards the right glute. Step the left foot towards right foot, towards the back of the mat, meeting back in a twisted lunge. Turn towards the right side of the mat. Skandasana, towards the back of the mat. Hang here for a moment. Sink the hips low. Pivot towards the back of the mat. Left peace fingers, right peace fingers. Grab the right big toe. Start to distribute the weight into the right foot. Slide over onto the knife side edge of the left foot. Come up, Vashisthasana. And as gently as you can, start to step the right foot behind you. Wild thing. And inhale will bring you back through center. Knee comes to nose. Exhale, step the foot between the hands. Low lunge. Inhale, hands come to heart center. Exhale, hook the left elbow to the right knee. Twisted prayer lunge. Start to distribute the weight into the right foot. Lift the left foot off the ground. Left heel in towards left glute. Gently step the left foot down to meet the right. Twisted chair. Maybe you hang here. You can open the arms up. If you'd like to take a side crow, sink the hips down towards the heels. Bring the hands down to meet the earth. Start to lean forward into the hands. Press down into all 10 knuckle pads, finger pads. Lift the toes off the ground. Maybe you straighten through the legs. And inhale brings you back through center. Meet back in a twisted chair. Left heel comes in towards the left glute. Exhale, step the foot back. Come back through center. Pivot back towards the top of the mat, Skandasana. Hang here just for a moment. Twist back towards the top of the mat. Step the left foot back to meet the right. Send the hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Pedal out the feet here just for a moment. Recalibrate. Catch your breath. Check in with the breath. Be one with the breath. Bring the knees down towards the mat to hover. Hold here just for a moment. Maybe you bring the right hand to tap the left shoulder. Maybe you bring the left hand to tap the right shoulder. Maybe you do that for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees down towards the earth. Walk the hands back towards the knees. Rest for just a moment. Hand can come to belly and to heart. Feel the energy that you're creating in the body. Inhale, circle the arms up. Exhale, left hand comes to the outside of the left glute. Send the hips up. Reach back with the right arm. Hold here. Come back through center. Swap it out. Right hand to the outside of the right glute. Left hand comes up towards the sky. Hold here. Come back through center. Walk the hands forward. Tuck the toes. Send the hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Inhale, shift the gaze between the hands. Exhale, hop, step, or float to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Come all the way onto your sit bones here. Meet in boat pose, Navasana. Just for a moment. Hold. Maybe you straighten through the legs. And lower all the way down towards the earth. Take a full body stretch here. Plant the sole of the left foot onto the ground. Right ankle comes across the left knee. Reclined figure 4. Use the strength of your right leg to push the right knee towards the top right corner of the mat. Inhale, bring the left foot off the earth. Now use the hands to grab the back of the left thigh. Use the right elbow to push the right knee towards the top right corner of the mat. Hang here. And on an exhale, release everything towards the left side of the mat. Supine twist with figure 4 legs. Arms can be to a T, to a cactus. Left hand can be on right knee. Gaze drops over towards the right. Inhale to come back through center. Swap out the feet. Sole of the right foot comes to meet the earth. Left ankle, right knee. Use the strength of the left knee to push towards the top left corner of the mat. Inhale, bring the sole of the right foot off the earth. Now use the hands to clasp around the back of the right knee. Left elbow pushes into the left knee. Recline figure 4. Start to soften here. Let the breath turn back to its normal rhythmic state. Exhale, drop everything towards the right side of the mat. Supine twist with figure 4 legs. Hands can be to a T, a cactus. You can have one hand on the right hand on the left thigh. Let this one feel good. And inhale will bring you back through center. Exhale, plant the sole of the left foot to meet the right. Heel toe the feet out to the wide edge of the mat. Hands come on top of the hips. Windshield wiper the knees left to right. On your next exhale, let everything go. Savasana. This is where we get to let any thoughts, worries, concerns, judgments go. This is the moment where we get to fully integrate our practice, to fully be in the present moment. If you feel ready, start to wiggle the fingers and the toes. An inhale will bring you to a full body stretch. Exhale, roll into either side. Fetal position. Let yourself feel grounded and held here by Mother Earth. This is such a nurturing pose. It's the pose that our mothers carried us in their wombs. Inhale, come up through center. Keep the gaze soft or closed. Hands come to heart center. Thanks again for watching another one of these videos. I really have such a great time making them for you, and I am learning so much along the way, and I just hope you have a beautiful rest of your morning, day, night, whatever time it is that you may be watching these. Thanks, guys. Namaste.